Well, you are late, KTBS. Really late.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Texas Department of Public Safety. The Hardin County Sheriff's Office is searching for Alia Langford, white, female, 1-year-old, height 3 feet even, weight 40 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, and Aiden Langford, white, male, 4 months old, height 2 feet 6 inches, weight 25 pounds, blonde hair, blue eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing. Police are looking for Tiffany Weaver, 31 years old, white, female, height 5 feet 7 inches, weight 135 pounds, blonde hair, hazel eyes, and Aaron Langford, 29 years old, white, male, height 6 feet 14 inches, weight 169 pounds, red hair, green eyes, last seen wearing unknown clothing, in connection with her abduction. The suspects are driving a white 2005 Chrysler van bearing TX license plate number BP9603. The suspects were last seen in Silsbee, Texas. Law enforcement officials believe this child to be in grave or immediate danger. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Hardin County Sheriff's Office at 409-246-5101. News media point of contact is Hardin County Sheriff's Office at 409-246-5273.
Well, KTBS, y'all are awful late. 6:47. Let's see when the CAE was issued. Right here. 6:13. Seriously? That's a little late, you don't think, KTBS? But at least y'all were late. I'm happy. See y'all guys later.